pa si Josh, no? Hey. Damn. So that was Josh Cullen, the winner of hip hop song of the year sa Wish, no? Yeah, that's it, man. Congratulations again to Josh Cullen, and congratulations to all the nominated artists. Let me just say that all of those artists na nomina dun sa mga respective sections nila, kung ano man R&B man yan or Artist of the Year man yan, lahat yan ni-nominate kasi somehow sila ay nakitaan ng potential sa ganong ganong sections or category. So kahit sino dun respectfully ay pwedeng manalo, pwedeng sila yung actually winners na kasi yun pag na-nominate sila sa categories na yan. Magkakatalo na lang kung sino talaga yung pipiliin, pero lahat yun pinili kasi nakitaan sila, di ba? So, and to argue kung bakit hindi is nonsense, di ba? Depende na lang sa taste ng judges yun or kung ano mang tawag sa mga humahatol. You cannot blame the artists about that because they also share the same dream with you. Pinangarap din nila yan, and yung sining na yan, kung anong ginawa ni Skastak Leon, sino mong ini-idolize mo, ginagawa din yan ng maliit na artist. So kung manalo man yung maliit na artist over sa 100 million views ng idol mo, you cannot blame the artist about that because pawis, puso at kaluluwa yung ginugugol nila dyan, and to question that is stupid, and to question that is ano tawag nito, is very insulting sa artist kasi same lang yan, magkaka-level lang yan sila pagdating dyan sa paggawa ng craft. Lahat tayo magkaka-level lang kasi